Hey guys, remember this I got from the last time I sieved pap, that's ogi akamu. I will show you today how you can use it to prepare swallow, that's fufu. And over here it has dried. This is how it looks like when it has dried under the sun. So the first thing we'll be doing is to blend this. So we'll be using our blender to blend it smoothly before making use of it. So I'll be adding it bit by bit because you cannot blend all together with a blender, otherwise you spoil your blender and it will not be faster. So that's all I will do. Please, if you find this video helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share out the video, subscribe to my channel if you are coming across this channel for the first time. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for sticking around. And once I'm done blending everything together, I'll be adding it into a bigger bowl because I want to mix another thing in it. And this is what I'll be using to thicken it: tapioca starch, also known as cassava starch. You can also use corn starch, you can use psyllium husk, you can use xanthan gum, you can use oats to thicken it. And once the water has started boiling to some extent, not fully boiled, then I will start adding it bit by bit. Then I will add and stir till I get a smooth paste. Once it starts becoming a little bit thick for you to stir, then stop adding and continue stirring till it forms well. If you feel yours is a little bit thick, you can add in more water, but this is the consistency that I want it, not thick, not light. So I add a little bit of water, cover, allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes, and after that I will mix all together again. Just combine everything together just like so, and your swallow is ready, as good as ready, guys. While throwing out the chaff you got from sieving the pap, don't you know that it is food? So try this out and thank me later. I hope you learned one or two things, and that is it for today's video. I will be enjoying mine with these two soups: ogbono soup and nsala soup. Thank you so much. Bye, and see you in my next video.